Hello everyone, so Kotlin multi-platform tooling now in IntelliJ IDEA and Android Studio. So let's go through this blog post. We recently outlined our plan for the future of Kotlin multi-platform tooling. Today we are putting those plans into action with the beta release of the new KMP plugin for your favorite IDEs, IntelliJ IDEA and Android Studio. This plugin simplifies every part of the KMP experience from project setup to cross-platform development and Compose UI preview. Integrate a new project wizard. With the plugin installed, you can create new KMP project directly in the IDE. The wizard supports all target combinations of Android, iOS, desktop, web and server. You can also choose between a native UI or a shared UI with Compose multi-platform. Pre-flight checks. When you open a project, the plugin runs environment checks automatically. It verifies your OS, Java setup, Android SDK, Xcode installation and Gradle configuration. If anything is missing or outdated, you will get recommendations on how to fix it. Ready to run. After indexing, the plugin automatically generates a run configuration for all platforms available in your project: Android, iOS, web, desktop and server. For iOS and Android, you can select simulators or emulators or set up a physical device with the plugin's guidance. Cross-language support for projects with both Kotlin and Swift. The plugin enables cross-language navigation, syntax highlighting, quick documentation and debugging in your IDE. Debugging support for iOS is already available in Android Studio and the IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate, and support in IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition is coming later. Compose multi-platform support for iOS recently became stable, allowing you to confidently build beautiful shared UIs for production use across iOS, Android and desktop. Compose multi-platform code is fully supported in the IDE with features like auto-completion, navigation, refactoring and resource support. Thanks to UI previews that are available even from common code, you can preview components directly in the IDE without deploying your app. Compose hot reload. We know that fast iteration is key when building UIs. With Compose hot reload, you can instantly see UI changes without restarting your app or losing its state. Compose hot reload runs on the desktop JVM target, but even if your project is focused on mobile, you can add a desktop target just for development purpose. As you modify your Compose code, adjusting layouts, styles or logic, hot reload detects changes and applies them live to your running app. It's not limited to small tweaks. You can change a method signature, remove existing code and even create new classes. Your app retains its states including the current screen and user input. You can safely use hot reload for production apps as it only affects development builds. To get started, add the Compose hot reload Gradle plugin to your project. See the documentation for setup details. How to install the KMP plugin. The Kotlin multi-platform plugin is available via JetBrains Marketplace for IntelliJ IDEA 2025.1.1.1 and Android Studio Narwhal 25.1.1. It only supports macOS for now, but Windows and Linux support is coming soon. Note that you need to explicitly enable K2 mode. To do this, go to Settings, Language and Frameworks, Kotlin, and select the Enable K2 mode checkbox. What's next for Kotlin multi-platform tooling? The KMP plugin is currently in beta. It is ready for production use and already provides a solid foundation for Kotlin multi-platform development. We are actively working to expand its capability, polish the experience and address known limitation. Your feedback is crucial to help us refining the tooling further. Our initial focus is on mobile development with desktop and web improvements coming next. We plan to stabilize the KMP plugin later this year, expand operating system support and introduce new feature based on your feedback. Upcoming tooling improvements include Windows and Linux support. You will be able to use KMP plugin on Windows and Linux. Running iOS application will remain a macOS specific. Advanced IDE support for Swift. The current plugin version already supports basic code completion and editing for Swift code. More advanced features such as finding, usage and type hierarchy navigation are still planned. Easier KMP module creation. You will be able to create new Kotlin multi-platform modules using the integrated KMP wizard. Improved tooling support for web and desktop platform. After stabilizing mobile platform support, we will focus on improving tooling for desktop and web development, aiming for a smoother unified multi-platform experience. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.